Hello guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can test the CPU and memory of these three browsers, the Google Chrome, the Brave, and the Microsoft Edge browsers in our devices, whether it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's open first each of the browsers. So let's open Brave. Let me just expand this one, and here we need to, or we can type google.com and let the home page of the Google to be here, that one, and then let's just minimize that one, and let's open Google Chrome, and with what we same with what we did in the Brave browser, let's open Google. And let us minimize this one, and lastly is the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so let's open google.com. Okay, so each of the browsers now have google.com or Google in the home page or the homepage of Google. So what are we going to do is to open our task manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to task manager, or just go to your keyboard and press Control Shift Escape key, and the task manager window will be up on your screen. So in here we will see the Brave browser, the Google Chrome, and the Microsoft Edge under apps in the processes tab. So for the CPU usage of Brave browser, it has 1%. It ranges 1 to 1.5 or 1.3%. For the Google Chrome, it's only 0.1 to 0.3%. And for the Microsoft Edge, it's 8% to 10%, as you can see, the range. And for the memory usage, you will see that the lowest or the lesser memory usage is the Brave browser with only 188.3 MB. And for the second one is Google Chrome, which is only 266 to 271 MB. And the highest is Microsoft Edge, which is 905.4 MB. Okay, so you can also try this in your own device. And for the network, it uses 6 or 4.9 to 6 Mbps, and it is still the highest in the disk usage. Okay, you can also do this in your own device. Check whichever of this browser has the highest CPU and memory usage. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.